Let us see how to use the wrap surface command. Create a sketch, exit, and then translate the feature by clicking the base point to the required point. Exit from the sketch. Now apply the sweep command. Draw the center curve. Coincide between center curve and profile. Give OK. Exit from the sketch. Now use the sweep command. Select the sweep command, select the profile and guide curve. Preview OK. Select the plane and go for sketch. Draw a straight line to create the surface. Exit from the sketch. Extrude option. Create a surface. This is the reference surface. Select the plane, go for sketch. Now create a curve to create the curved surface. Go to extrude, create a surface, deformed surface. Now go to wrap surface command, select the element to deform and reference surface and target surface, preview, and change the wrap type to normal and give a preview, give OK. Then hide the curves. You can see the deformed curve. This is the deformed curve.